This is all I am telling you because those who are now outside of ISKCON, they don't know all these things. They think that somewhere some big funds are coming, you open one center, money will be given, build a temple and all those things. Nobody gave money, nobody gave anything. It was the devotees' efforts, moving from one small house to a big house, and then from being a big house, we were thinking of getting a small site. Why pay rent? Let us build a small temple of our own. This was our thinking. See, even thinking. When you lack even big thinking, Krishna provides that also. Hey, why you are all small time thinking? Come on, I'll give you 6 acres of land. Shocked. We're looking for something small. In the material, what happened? They say, no, you aim big, aim big, aim big. And then you'll at least reach somewhere else. Think big, you'll reach at least somewhere else. But I have experience. You're thinking small, but you are made to do big things. The opposite of material loss. And that is experience. Last 40 years I have experienced this. Not one day, one exemption. So in those days it was 15,000 per month budget. Today Bangalore ISKCON is running with minimum. We need 2 crores per month. I remember this when hardly 1 or 2 pillars were standing in this temple. The first budget estimate was made, I was just thinking, where is this money going to come from? From that particular day's resources, monthly resources was insignificant. So did some calculation and then I saw, okay, if it goes at this rate, in 72 years I can build this temple. So many crores it came. Then I told myself, in case it happens in 10 years, it is as good as seeing Krishna. I told myself that. This is all Paramatma is showing himself. The Supreme Lord is showing himself. Nama Prabhu showing himself. And in 10 years, this temple was built miraculously. Just like this Akshay Patra, Krishna is doing. Many people come, they tell us, to feed 5 people at home is a big headache. How 18 lakh children are being fed, that too going and delivering in their place. Their bewilderment is correct. Even I am bewildered. Even today I am bewildered. It is all arrangement of the Lord. It is Nama Prabhu's Leela. Akshay Patra is Nama Prabhu's Leela. If Krishna has to put Lakshmi in your hand, you should, Krishna should be very confident. I cannot put Lakshmi in your hand if you want to enjoy it. Better you learn without that. First learn, get detached from all these things. Detached from enjoyment, selfish enjoyment. Then I will give you, then I will pour over. Limitlessly I will pour over. Because I am waiting for this mission. I am waiting. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying, waiting for this mission. Prabhupada is also selling, chant Hare Krishna nicely, hear Hare Krishna nicely, do soulful japa. I will empower you. I will empower you to do more and more service. Anyway, you are, before you leave this body, what a great opportunity to serve the Lord. Like Prabhupada would say, I will take you back to God. And there you cannot do this kind of preaching. You cannot get this kind of rasa of so many difficulties, and just like Pandavas had so many difficulties, he conquered by Krishna's mercy. This kind of opportunity you don't, because there are no demons in the spiritual world. So not after I take you back to God, I don't regret, my God, there I had so much opportunity, I could have done so much service to the Lord. So now not to waste a single moment of time, chant soulful japa, engage in soulful japa, and preach Krishna consciousness.